I received this product for you to try, but I'm so excited to start making things with jelly rolls. I've been always scared to make tubings because this is the most time-taking part and the hardest part of the project. But now I'm excited to try those tools. First, you need to take the pieces apart. So through the big piece, you thread your fabric. Like my fabric has already batting, so I'm not gonna worry about it. Making sure the fabric reaches the walls up to those parts here. And then you take your next piece and make sure it glides through the grooves here. And you hear the click sound. And now you can gently pull and your fabric comes already folded. Now you take your next part and you get your fabric through there again. And it already comes folded. You get your next small piece and again carefully put it through those grooves on the sides and you hear the click sound. And then you pull, and these already stay folded like that to make your sewing much easier. And this is my tubing. I went ahead and I made a whole roll of tubing, and then I made this little project here, a little basket. You always need baskets, and this is my absolutely my first project. This little tool was amazing.